Hey guys, welcome back to another TCM video. We're doing the same again, just jumping straight in, although we have went back to the longer videos. So what we're doing in this one, we've just got a standard build. It's actually the same build we've already done a video on with Anna, the Unbreakable Anna build I like to call it. And the idea of this video is we're always going to be the last person out. Hopefully it's because everyone else has escaped, but if everybody else has died, then that will be just the same. So yeah, let's jump into the commentary and see how we did.
I should see what that is.
Right, so what we want to do is get one door open, then grab a bone shard and a health item, and then we'll be going out the window. That's the idea. I think that is the best way of distracting as Anna. Because if there's at least one person out the house chasing you around the yard, then usually it means that the other three can get something done inside the house.
Wait, what's that?
Usually. And so here's the bone shard that we need.
Is this?
Right, so
Don't even think.
we'll just take this health item.
Just stay calm.
We'll get the door unlocked first. And then we'll take the item and then we'll head up. And there goes Grandpa. It's not the exit that I would choose, but I can't be bothered running all the way around. We'll just take this item and then head up. If you're jumping out the front window, usually the exit that comes out in the middle of the house is the best one, I'd say. Like this one to the left. Did he see me? I don't think he did. This might actually be perfect. I heard Cook feeding Grandpa. You know what? Let's do it. Because we'll get revealed by Grandpa, but we'll already be out. That's actually fine. We didn't use our ability on purpose because we do have our health item with extra drip.
Why are you doing this to me?
Oh, he does have the poison traps as well, so we're not going to be full health.
Are they gone?
But health is pretty decent though.
I hope they're gone.
And we've still got our ability, which is great. Doesn't look like we're being followed. Oh, I was too busy looking behind me. Oh, right, there he is. Right, he must have saw me there. Wait, he never... Oh, I think I heard his trap go off at the same time. He's probably distracted by that. Right, so we're not going out this escape, but it doesn't mean that we can't get it ready for someone else. We will make a lot of noise, though.
Might be able to break
Because I'm pretty sure we're the only one out here. Oh, someone's got the basement open. That was quick.
something's
Oh, Hitchhiker's actually here. Hello. Don't think we're getting the door slammed there. We do have this box over here which we can use. Oh, Connie is actually through the gate now. Julie's dead from the sounds of it. Yeah, Julie's definitely gone. Right, we want to have the attention, so I'm just going to keep running. I think Connie's been spotted because she's on the move as well. Right, let's go grab a bone shard and see what we can do. Maybe we will just continue to try and get this exit open. Although, I have a feeling they're dead. We're going to stay still because I think they might be dead. Someone disconnected. Yeah. Right, only two of us left now, so... Distractions are nice and all, but only if we know that the other person is actually in a position to benefit in some way from it. Otherwise we're just getting ourselves killed. So we'll hang here for now. Oh, Hitchhiker's actually here. Right, you know what? If we keep two of them busy, that should be fine. Although I don't think Leatherface knows. Right, we kind of overhealed ourselves with that, but I don't think we're going to be back there anyway. Yeah, Leatherface is definitely on us now. I think we can save our stack of juice light here. And that's the power of 50 endurance. It just times where you would normally have had to have used one, you can just save onto it. I think I'm just going to jump down the well. I was kind of hoping they were open an exit, but they're stabbing Grandpa, which... Any excuse to stab Grandpa, but... Might have been more useful if they were trying to get us a way out. Especially since the fuse is done. Right, we did take a hit on the way down there, so what doesn't kill you will heal me up a bit. There it goes.
I need to find the others.
Right, so we need to get upstairs and get that fuse box tripped again. Not sure where the other person is. They just stabbed Grandpa and then ran off, so I don't know if they came back down into the basement or maybe they're still up there. Grandpa's level 4, we do need to get a move on. She does have a lot of points, Connie. Maybe it was her that tripped the basement.
Around here somewhere. Be careful, Anna.
Can we get a health item? Nope. It would be nice to take one with us on the way out. They might all be gone by this stage though. What's the play? I grab us maximum, let's stop messing around. Oh, here's a health item. Let's open. Oh, is that Connie dying? No, I think she's just taking a hit. I think she's still going. Right, we need to get something done here before Connie goes down. Right, we'll stay out here for a second, just until the R reading wears off. They're busy chasing Connie upstairs. Let's just see if we can get... Oh, hello, hitchhiker. I did not expect you right there. Which way are you going? Just waiting for him to commit to that side before we go this way. Oh, Connie's gone. Right, okay. I was hoping we got the door slammed there, but it's not to be. Right, so... Oh, of course that is latched. I've wasted my ability here. Right, Cook can sit and listen as much as he wants, because we know that they already know where we are. Can heal here. Hello, Bubba. Let's fake that we're going in here. Right, we kind of sold up way too quickly. Oh god, Hitchhiker's there as well. Okay, this isn't great. Right, let's wait in here for a second. I was hoping there was health on the table, but no such luck. Right, let's head back downstairs and see if we can find a health item. Oh, hello, Cook. You got any health? It looked like he ran away from us there. Is he even coming? Well, we'll just heal up. We're back to full health again. I love this build. Ooh, we almost got door slammed there. Oh no, we mistimed it. Let's just pick the bits of wood out our face and go on our way. It's actually trapped that window. We'll fake that we're going to go for the door slam, but I don't think I really did anything there. Go for door slam here though. Ah, there we go. Right, no one? Oh no, he is coming. We wouldn't have time for that. Right, he's not coming now though. What doesn't kill you healed us up again. Oh, let's take the one hit. I don't know where Hitchhiker went. Oh, he's right in front of us. God, we're taking so many hits. Oh Jesus, I think this might be it. Oh, I knew there was a trap there, but I thought I was dodging it. And that is us. Oh wait, hold on. Oh no, we're not done yet. And what doesn't kill you just heals us as well. Oh, there's no way we're getting out of this though. Oh, if I got the double door slam there, that would have been amazing. But yeah, we're about to bleed out in a second. And there we go. Come on, what doesn't kill? We got door slammed as well. Oh come on, we've got health. Oh god, what's going on? Right, I'll just hang out here, guys. Right. Well, interesting finish. It was a lot of fun, but yeah, let's jump into the next one. Hopefully we can do a bit better. Right, so we're back in Family House again, but this time we're after the patch. It'll be interesting to see how the changes affect. Oh god, Connie's disconnected already. That's not a good start.
Oh my god. What are they doing to me?
Hopefully that doesn't mean there's some post-patch woes to worry about. Like, I haven't actually read anything yet, so I don't know if anything's wrong. Although we are seeing the sound falling in there, which is actually really cool. Might make chickens a little less crap. Although I don't think they're good enough to get perks for. Right, that is just a disconnected Connie, so there's no big deal there. Oh, it's going to take some getting used to having no Grandpa cutscene. It's such a good change though. Is he coming back to us? I think we're fine here. Yeah, he's coming around that other way. Right, so we need to get a door open. Not really concerned about noise. The reason we've taken this build is so that we could take the heat off our team. Right, he should have saw us going in that gap there. Not really much he can do about it, so we'll see if we can get this door open. Nancy did sense us, but I mean, we're in the basement. I don't think it was any use to them. I have read a little bit about Nancy's ability, so I know that it shows like a blurry image of a random survivor or victim. Will let my Dead by Daylight bleed through there. But yeah, when it's something like that, I mean, obviously I was in the basement, so. Right, we don't want to head up just yet. We do want to get some items. Right, what is my plan here? I'm sort of running around aimlessly. I guess I want a health item. You know what? We'll get it when we're up there. Maybe. It looks like we're all good here actually. Let's head upstairs. We should be able to grab something from up here. Are they on us? I can't tell if they're downstairs or not. Right, fuse box is actually here. You know what? We'll just get it open, since why not? I mean, fuse box is definitely still the strongest escape method in Family House.
Okay, Anna. Stay calm. You can use this. Locks, maybe?
Right. So what are we doing next? Because we don't really want to go for the fuse because we kind of. Oh, that's barbed wire. Right. So I'm guessing. Yeah, we need a bone shard to remove it. I mean, we could get the bone shards there, but I don't know. Let's just try and get the thing open. I think we're wasting too much time by doing that. Although I might regret that later. Oh, why did I just run into him? You know what? This is fine. We should be okay. Right, he didn't actually come upstairs. Maybe he thought we went through the door. We'll wait here for a second just to see what they do. Ah, good thing we did. Hello, sissy.
They're here.
She's noticed that I've opened the fuse box, I guess. Right, that sense could be problematic. She should be able to tell where we are based on that. Can we head in here? Oh, she did poison it. Well, we would have taken a hit regardless if that gap was open or not, so I'm not going to say I'm regretting getting rid of the barbed wire. Or not getting rid of it, I should say. Oh, I'm regretting running to Julie though. Sorry, Julie. Oh, I was unlucky. Right, she's headed down the well.
Stay away from me.
Oh, Leatherface is coming too. Right, we've got both of them on the same side though. Can we get this ladder? I don't even know if this is unlocked. This could be horrible. Because we've got no bone shard to stun them, so if they come down this ladder and this is locked, we are dead. Oh god, the camera went all weird. It is open and they're not coming down either, so we are fine. Let's just head back up. God, is he up or below? I actually think he's below us. Yeah, he is. I just heard him close the basement door. I should really be more careful around the chickens now. Oh, I thought she was upstairs. For some reason I completely... Oh god, we're lagging. Oh god, what is this? Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I never get FPS drops in this game. Maybe that's something to do with the update. It seems to be back to normal. What doesn't kill you gives a little heal there. You know what? We've got our power ready. Let's use it. Oh, he actually missed. Don't know if we'll make this, because we would kind of like to have a power active for the fall damage, but we're not going to have it. It's not a big deal though. Right, they did come down to basement to get us last time. I wonder if they'll... Oh, I'm stuck. Right, okay, interacting with the bone shard fixed that. It seems like they're not coming down. Wait, was that? Oh god, was that like dead Connie talking to me there? I guess because she disconnected, it's kind of a bit weird.
I gotta be more quiet.
I'm not really fussed about them knowing. They obviously know I'm down here. Level 4, running out of time here. We're still holding on to the fuse.
It's too quiet. Something's not right.
I would like to get a health item before we go up.
There's gotta be something I can use.
I'll just take a bone shard instead.
More tension on
I mean, we're full health anyway, so it's not like we particularly need it. Right, there's scrap at max, so... And the other two are still in the basement. I probably shouldn't be wasting time doing this, but we've done it now. Oh, hello Nancy.
Get away from me.
We're not even going to mess around with doors. Let's just move. I'll be honest, I don't even know who that was on my left. Oh, there goes Danny.
I hope the others are okay.
And Sissy saw us. And now Nancy saw us. We don't actually want to go out here. Because we don't have health and we don't have our ability ready. Oh, this is barbed wire. You know what? Screw it. I'll be honest, I'm not even sure what the effect is, but... Oh, this is horrible. Right, our ability just came off cooldown. I don't know if it's going to be enough though. Jeez. I could already hear Leatherface turning around. He's going to be coming down to cut us off here. Yep, there he is. I don't know what... We'll need to get... Oh, we can't actually get rid of the barbed wire now. We should be able to do it here though. Oh, it stunned us though. Right. That should give us time if we use the bone scrap. Wait. Oh no. Not like this. Not like this. Not the lag. I'm not even sure if we would have made that anyway, to be fair. But, yeah. Going out to lag is not great. Gotta love updates. Well, let's move on to the next one. Right. We are in on Slaughterhouse. So I'm hoping this will go a bit better. A better map for us. Same plan as before. We just want to be a distraction, but we want to get a door open first. God, it's so weird, like, because Leatherface obviously still kills a person that doesn't get pecked, or two people, I suppose, now.
Locks now.
But where does he go after? Does he just go have a beer scare, or like, what does he actually do? Does he just go, you guys have got this, there's three of you. I'm taking a break. He's deserved it, he's a good boy. Right, so once we get this open, we just want to grab a bone shard, because we'll most likely be doing some grandpa stabbing, but I'm a bit lazy. I'm just going to go up and probably get it from up here, since I'm not really concerned about drawing the family over.
What is this?
Right, so we do have Nancy, Johnny, and Hitchhiker for this one. This is a bit of a dangerous bone scrap, so we will actually be a bit quiet because we don't want to get interrupted whilst we're doing it. Oh, we lost someone. Right. Hitchhiker got Connie. Ooh, this door looks weird now. Does Danny have an unlock tool? He does. Nice.
Danny, I'm over here.
Can we, like, distract so that Danny can get that door open? Right, we've got both of them here. Oh god, what's there with the FPS lag? Is anyone else getting this after the update? Because I never had this before. I suppose I've got more important things to worry about. We'll just deal with the lag. Hopefully Danny managed to get that door open. Nancy seems to have dropped off, but we can definitely keep Hitchhiker busy here. Door slam? Yeah, there we go. The sound is following us though, so let's try and fake that we went that way and then go back. No, we just overthought that. We should have just ran. Right. Hitchhiker is not catching us here though. We have 50 endurance and we've got the basement. And we've got 2 stacks of choose flight if we need them, which hopefully we don't. I'm going to try and save a stack here by slowing down. Oh, lost another one. Yeah, it's still up though, so I'm hoping he's making his way through Slaughterhouse.
That's it, Anna. Stay. Why are you doing this to me? Please stop.
We can run you everywhere, Hitchhiker. We want to get our stamina back, so that's why we've doubled back here.
God.
I hesitated 'cause it sounded like he was running off. I don't think he noticed we turned round there. Somebody's not got their headphones on. Right. Wasn't expecting to lose him there. That is actually really nice. Oh, hello, Johnny.
Away from me.
No, Anna, shut up. He's right there. Well, we asked for attention this game. We are certainly getting it. Hopefully, Danny's doing something.
Finally. I hope the others are okay.
But I keep thinking that door is just open because it looks weird now. I guess it's they had to change the door model to not a basement one. Because Cook can now padlock it. Oh, I'm an absolute idiot. I was not paying attention at all. I got distracted by Danny escaping. Right, so he must have got out here. So that's all my explanation. That's a bit of a weird hitchhiker trap, but we can see him, so we can definitely avoid that one. Should I heal? I'm a bit worried about Johnny catching up. I'm just going to go for it. I've got my power. Oh, this might be a bad idea. I should have healed. Why didn't I heal? Screw it. Oh, we had no health there. Like, there's no way that we would have just bled out a second outside of the exit. Okay, well, we actually escaped this time, so hooray for us. Let's move on to the next one. Right, we've got Slaughterhouse again. Hopefully that's a good sign.
I
Johnny, Hitchhiker, Nancy again, actually. I should probably pay more attention in the lobby so I can see like which perks my team is picking and things like that, but yeah, I just can't for some reason. I'm always tabbing out and then not realising what anyone's picked. The joys of being an idiot. Well, our plan worked out last time, so let's do it again. And at least last time someone else escaped, because the whole point of us distracting is so that other people can actually make it out, but so far it's not worked out. We've only had Danny escape, and that is it, so hopefully this will be the game. This is the one that we're getting everybody out. If someone dies in just a sec, I'm going to be so annoyed. Well, there's no Leatherface, so no one can die right now. Okay, now they can. We don't want to take a big health, because it's kind of a waste with extra drip. You just end up overhealing. We don't want to make it obvious which one we're going for. Right, I think I heard barbed wire go up there. So we're going to have a little look around. We don't want to run through any of these. Ooh. Hello, Nancy. I guess she didn't see us. Oh. Yeah, she saw us now. Yeah, let's move. Ooh, got stuck in... Oh, that is definitely Scout. Yeah, oh yeah, that is definitely Scout. She is zooming. And she hit us and it done basically no damage, so... Right, we are happy to waste our time here, so I'm just going to get this open again. Especially if Johnny's there as well, because neither of them can catch me down in basement. Scout or no scout? Right, the easiest way to distract the family, stab Grandpa, and there they are. Oh, hello Hitchhiker. Wasn't part of the plan, but this is fine. Right, we've saved our choose light. Getting the 50 endurance working for us. He was already in basement. I have a feeling we're going to end up with a long chase. My pathing was absolutely terrible there. You know what? Let's just use this. It's maybe a bit early, but might have been a waste. Oh, okay, that wasn't a waste. Johnny's right there. Johnny and Hitchhiker. This is actually perfect for us. Even if we die, everyone else will be out. Two of them should not be wasting their time in basement chasing a Nana. And they probably think they've got a few nice hits in me, but I'm sitting full health right now with 2 stacks of choose flight. We can do this all day, guys. This is a waste of your time. Looks like they might have gave it up.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. It seems I've lost them.
So that's our cue to head back up, but that door is locked, so
There's gotta be something.
let's get a hold of another bone scrap. Right, so Johnny's following our footsteps, so he must still be in basement, which is perfect for us. Yeah, people have got stuff open from the looks of it. We just need to find what they've actually opened, and it's not that.
Somewhere. Be careful.
Maybe a slaughterhouse again? Again, this is perfect for us, because if she's sensing us, it means she's not sensing the people that are actually opening stuff. People are talking about the new characters and they were worried that they were going to be pay to win. I'll be honest, Nancy's just worse than cooking every way I can think of. I can't think of a single positive that she brings.
Wait.
That you're just not better with Cook. Padlocks are better than the barbed wire, and the Cook's listening ability is way better than the sense. It's nice to have different characters that do different things, though. Keeps it fresh. I don't know if I should just move here. Oh, someone's in trouble. Right, we can do this, so... Oh, someone's actually out, nice. Didn't realise they made it longer to do the valve. That's actually a good change. I've always said it's way too quick. Right, we just want to hang out here. Oh, someone's... Wait, are they dead? Oh, I think they're dead. Looks like they lost the close encounter. Well, we've got nothing better to do than just sit here and wait. No idea where Sonny is. I'm hoping he's waiting for this, though. Kind of surprised nobody's came. I mean, it's right in the middle of the map. I mean, I'm not complaining. Oh, Sonny's actually done the basement. Oh, he's hit a trap. Screw it. Let's see if we can go and help him in some way. I'm hoping he's coming this way after stepping in. I don't know if it was barbed wire or trap. I think I saw him there, but oh, he's just walked into something else. Nah, he's yeah, he's done. He's disconnected. Well, sorry, Sonny. I couldn't be more help to you, but 2 out again. So the build's not really done what we were hoping for. We were hoping to get the attention, get other people out, and then escape ourselves. But mostly it's just people dying, and either us dying too, or yeah, just getting the one person or the one other person out, including myself. But yeah, if you're stuck this far for the video, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.